Well, hello everybody. We've got new neighbours next doors. Hello, new neighbours. There's lots of new neighbours. Look at them all swaying in the tree. There's some over there. And there's one on the power line. No, he's in the tree. Just looked like he was on the power line. Another couple having their dinner. Now these are the sorts of neighbours I like. Yes, they can be rowdy at times. They can make a mess. But they are lovely to watch. Swaying in the wind. If I did that, I'll get seasick. Swaying around like that. There's a lot of them there. It's a big family. We've got 4 there, 5 there. There's one over there, so that's 6. And over here we've got 7 and 8. 9, 10. One up there, it's 11. 12. That's all I can see. But some up there too. 13, 14. 15, 16. 16 I count. How many do you count? Let me know in the comments. They're happy. Well, that one is. Just talking away every now and again. And they're just out the front. And the tree next door's lovely to see.